Dear students, today we will study about the order of the differential equation, degree of the differential equation, and how can we form the differential equation by the given equation. So first we find that formation of the differential equation. Suppose we have a equation f of x, y, and a, where y depends on x, it means y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, and a, the capital alphabet, is an arbitrary constant. Now, what is procedure by which we form the differential equation? We emphasize on the arbitrary constant. Here is one, a. So differentiating this equation with respect to x. So we have a relation like capital function, capital F x y a equal to 0. We have a new function. From first and two equation, we eliminate the arbitrary constant a. So we have a relation in x, y, and dy by dx can be written phi of x, y, dy by dx equal to 0. This is the differential equation of the given equation. Suppose any relation have two arbitrary constant, so it can be written equation f of x y a comma b equal to 0, where a and b are two arbitrary constants. Now differentiating two times with respect to x, then we have two relations f1 of x y dy by dx a b equal to 0, and f2 x y dy by dx d2 square y dx square a b equal to 0. Now eliminating a b from first, second, and third equation, then we have a relation phi of xy dy by dx d square y upon dx square equal to 0, which is the exact differential equation of the given equation. Now note, number of arbitrary constants in the equation with the expression of x and y, dependent and independent variables, is the order of the differential equation. Now, I am giving some examples here from which you will form the differential equation. 1 x equal to a cos of n t plus alpha, where a is arbitrary constant. In second, a and b are two arbitrary constants. In third, small a, b, c will be arbitrary constant. In fourth, a and b two arbitrary constants. Now we discuss the another points कि how can we solve the differential equation. Suppose a differential equation is given. It means it contains differential operators like d by dx, d square upon dx square, d cube upon dx cube, and so on. So, any relation between x and y which satisfies to the differential equation is called the solution of the differential equation. Suppose we can understand this by one example. Y is equal to c e power 3x is the solution of dy by dx minus 3y equal to 0. It's a differential equation. Its order and degree is 1. Now we check whether this y is equal to c e power 3x is a solution of the equation or not. In equation dy by dx is present. So differentiating y with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 3c e power 3x. Putting the value of y and dy by dx in the differential equation, it satisfies it. So we can say that y is equal to c e power 3x is the solution of the given differential equation. So similarly, you can pop from this points, you can check whether the relation in dependent and independent variable is solution of the given differential equation or not. And previously we have learned that how can we form the differential equation if relation relation in dependent and independent variable is given. Thank you.